How to make money writing and blogging on Medium. Welcome back to another amazing video, guys. It's Malama here, and in this video we're going to be looking at exactly step by step how can somebody make full-time income writing and blogging on Medium. Now there's a few ways to this. It's going to be two things. It's either you got a product or you don't have a product. So I'm going to be covering both aspects, whether you have a product to earn money from or you don't have, because at the end of the day, for you to make money online in any other aspects of them, either gotta have your own product or you gotta have a service, or in this video, even if you have no product, this strategy will still work for you guys, so you don't need to worry about that. Now the thing that we're going to be focusing on right now is we're going to be helping people solve one from different angles. Either we're going to be helping people solve a problem, educate them, help them. We're going to help them make decision. So depending on which aspect you're talking of which angle you're talking about, you're going to be solving a problem. Maybe somebody's stuck, they've got a pain, they've got a struggle that they need to overcome, they're depressed, maybe they need to lose their weight, they need to have a proper way to handle their money. They are looking for a different way to solve their problems that they're having. They are looking to solve their income problems and stuff like that. Secondly, is trying to educate them. Maybe they are lacking knowledge on certain aspects of life, certain topics that they need to be more educated about. So we're going to be tackling any one of these. So now the method that we're going to be using is through Medium. Now Medium is just a blogging platform that helps you write up information or write up articles about certain topics or subjects. So this is going to be a really practical, simple example. So as you can see, this guy right here is got Traffic Secrets by Russell Brunson review. So Traffic Secrets is a book by Russell Brunson that was just recently released few, I would say, week or days back, and he's offering people to be affiliates, whereby they promote this product even if they don't have their own product, and he pays them part of whatever manages to sell for every customer that they bring in. So we get paid a certain percentage of the entire book cost, depending on how much traffic you bring in. So traffic is just basically people that go through your link and purchase Traffic Secrets book through your links. So as you can see, this guy is on Medium and he's writing posts. So all you have to do is just come up with a product, pick an industry and write about a product, write about a problem, and offer a solution to that problem in the back end. So as you can see, there are many places that you can go ahead and look for products. One of them that we're going to be looking at is ClickBank. So ClickBank is one good place to product. So once you figure out the product that you're going to be looking at and which industry, it might be in the health niche, it might be helping people learn about investing, learn about losing weight, learn about the sport. So as you can see, ClickBank has got a wide variety of products that you can pick. Doesn't matter if you are interested in arts, interested in business and investing, in computers and internet, you're interested in cooking, food and wine, in education, in employment and jobs, you're into games, you're into green products, health and fitness, you're into home and garden, do-it-yourself stuff, or whether you're into software and services, or even spiritual alternative beliefs, travel, parental and families, mobile languages. So it's unlimited now on how or what kind of products you want. So all you have to do is come over to ClickBank, then you can select a particular aspect or a particular industry that you're going to be focusing on. So maybe say we pick something like the green products, alternative energy, helping people have more energy. Or we can go for home and garden. I'm gonna click home and garden, and we're gonna sort these by popularity or by gravity so that we see which one's bringing out the best results. So as you can see, this has to do with do-it-yourself stuff, home decor, home renovation. So as you can see, this is Ted's Woodworking, highest converting woodworking site on the internet. So this is all in the home and garden, and it helps people make stuff home, such as garden chairs, making their garages, improving just overall state of their home. That is what this product is about. This one is about making shades for your home. This one is making about, this is talk about dog training. So there's a lot of stuff that you can promote. So maybe say we pick a product that has to do maybe with dog training. So where we're going to be able to promote a product to people that are looking to train their dogs from home. So maybe you'll go to Google and search for how to train dog from home. How to train your dog at home video, how to train dog to stay, how to train your dog at home. We're looking for free stuff, but we're not selling free stuff, so we're not going to be focusing much on that. So as you can see, all these reviews come up, and some of these people are promoting products, and there's not really many people writing about it. Some answers are from websites like Wiki, which just shows you saying this particular search phrase is really weak. So when you go ahead and go to Ubersuggest, Ubersuggest is a free tool that you can use to do some keyword research. I'll leave a link in the description of this video to where you can sign up for a free account. Don't charge you. All you have to do is just sign in with your Google account and open an account to use it. So this one talks about how to train your dog from home. So when you go ahead and search this dog phrase, this search phrase, it's going to bring us some really results, and it's going to tell us how well to be easy to rank for. So as you can see, it's got some pretty decent small searches. So all we can do is just write about this. So this keyword is basically not that competitive, which is a good thing. There are some searches a month, but the competition is not that high. It's really low. So if you look at how to train your dog at home, how to train your dog to be at home, how to train dog to guard your home, how to train your dog to protect your home, how to train your dog to stay home. So all this, we can come up and write an article such as this, and we can come up with some cool pictures, and we can have links such as this, and we can head over to ClickBank, and we can just say click promote, and it's going to generate us a link for us to promote. This vendor requires to be approved for, so you just have to sign up and request to be approved to be an affiliate, but there are some that you don't need to do that, like maybe say how to build a chicken coop, such as this one. This pays you $20, or maybe you can go for Ted's Woodworking, which will just say promote. It's easy. All you have to do is just enter our ClickBank name, and we get 75% commission for every sale that bring in, which is $52 for every sale, which is handsome profit for just a little small week of just writing stuff on Medium. So now all you can do is just come over and look for different products, and all you have to do is keep writing more articles, stacking them up, and eventually with time you'll be able to make a lot of money using this platform called Medium. Or another alternative is you can promote your own products, you can promote your own services, because people come over to Medium, and some of them just take time to read and consume stuff, and if they find what they're looking for and your article recommends something meaningful, they'll definitely go ahead, click your link, and eventually you get for it. So as you can see, there is a myriad of topics that you can talk about on coronavirus, mental, Gen, Zora, for one parts. So you can hear more. So you can select an industry, whether it's going to be beauty, culture, fiction, gaming, music, poetry. So the list is unlimited on what you can, but that's a simple strategy for doing blogs. So in the next video I'm going to do a more detailed, in-depth step-by-step process on exactly how you implement step-by-step from one all the way to where you write your blog, get your affiliate link, do some keyword research, and publish blog and starts traffic. So thanks very much guys for watching. If you're looking to learn more about how to make, and there's a link in the description of this video to a free training on how to get started with affiliate marketing the right way. And thanks very much guys. Enjoyed, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.